That is an 8 seconds violation. We have a substitution. Jersey number 23, Marcenas. Nice recovery of Ocean Black down to 5. Rebound by Ochoa.
Minus Bilimbak kay Mayo ni mo plano ni.
Jersey number 7, Bilimbak. To jersey number 5, Hester. Shidlak down to 8. Good for 2 points by Antonio Hester. Mingasca. Rebound by Bueno. Jersey number 9, Bueno. Nice cut by Bilimbak. Naulog pass to Hester. Rebound by Akay. Jersey number 23, Marcenas. Jersey number 10, Osa. Jersey number 7, Akay. With a high post screen of camera. It's on 3 points. Jersey number 9. Bueno to 1-9.
Foul.
Personal foul. Ochoa with the defense of camera. Hester attacks in a closeout. Nice hit by Ochoa.
Dalipdan eh.
Jersey number 43. That is Usro. Jersey number 5, Hester with the defense of Mingasca. Kick out to 1-9. Jersey number 7, Bilimbak. Bueno, Shidlak down to 8. Jersey number 7, Akay. Hand off to Marcenas. That is an air ball. Jersey number 5, Hester. To Bilimbak. Back to Hester.